guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shirley. You guys call me Precious Shay. Welcome. Just don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, y'all. So anyways, today's video is going to be me unboxing what I got from Amazon. I'm going to show you like some of the stuff I got last night. It was like a late night purchase, which is something that I really need, especially when I do like, you know, my makeup appointments, when I go to the hotels, you know. So I'm going to show you guys what's in the box from Amazon. Just came in the mail. Amazon. So yeah, that's what I'm about to do. I'm about to show you guys, but first let me show you what I got earlier, because I had purchased 3 things. 2 things came today and 1 more thing coming tomorrow, which is gonna be a phone case. You guys don't really have to see it. The one I got earlier was just like a phone not phone case, a phone screen protector. It's one of the privacy screens. It looked like this, the black one. Y'all see my little my intro. I took a screenshot of my intro, but that's my screensaver. But yeah, that's just a protector, screen glass protector. That's what I got. That's what I want to show y'all. And it came with a little thing to protect the mirror in the back. Yeah, this is an old phone case, so I'm just waiting for my new one to come tomorrow, which is gonna be pretty. Well, it's in here, so I already gotta show y'all. You already know how a phone case. Anyways, let's get to opening my box or what I got from Amazon. I'm gonna put some of these stuff in my storefront. I do have an Amazon storefront, which I barely even post. Just make sure you guys follow me on TikTok and click on the links on my bio. That's how you guys would get into my Amazon storefront. You know, I gotta start putting some more things out there, because your girl do commission when you buy the stuff that I post. You feel me? Trying to be a paid influencer. You like my shirt? But yeah, I hope it's everything. Let me check, but sometimes I'll be tripping. They be delivering just one product. Hold on, come on. Orders. Your orders. Okay, cool. I got both of them. Yeah, so let's see. It's a big one. I feel like it's a Christmas gift. Okay, they put it all together. Amazon Prime. That's why I love Amazon Prime. Everything gets shipped overnight. I might got time to be waiting 5 to 6 days or 2 weeks. Anyways, let me show you guys the small stuff. Oh, I think I saw the picture of the box. But anyway, let me show you guys the small stuff. This UB size. This is a hold on, I don't want to tell y'all first. But anyways, this is a tripod that I really needed, because the one that I have here is broken. Okay. You see, this is broken. This is what I have took Tuesday when I had my appointments from New York. Yeah, I had to go to her hotel and everything. This was broken. The light is still good, but it's not as bright, which this was like a cheap one, like probably $15, $16. So the light broken. I was like embarrassed. And this the one that had the USB cord, so I had to ask her for the plug. I mean, the head of the charger, so I could plug it in the wall. But it was okay. I still would use it just in case, like in my doing like my skincare routine videos in the bathroom, I could still use this ring light part. But anyway, so I have 2 separate tripods. Damn. So this is one of the pieces where you put your phone, hopefully, because you know my phone be big. Let's see. Okay, it fit. Because sometimes they don't be fitting big phones. I don't know why they make big phones when they don't got stuff that works for it. I got a 12 Pro Max, so this fits. So when I want to record, cool. So I don't gotta take the case. I don't gotta take the case out. This is the piece of it. You know, I gotta set it up. Tripod. So when I do my shower routine, you guys gonna see me, you know, all clear. I don't gotta be having like a little short thing to hold my camera. Now I got a big tripod, which let me see how I use this. Okay, it's like this. You open this like this. It's 2 parts. And you push it down like this, I think. And then, oh, so these are the leg parts. Oh, so you make it big. Okay. Let me show y'all. Hopefully you guys can see. Ignore the background. Okay, so I'll just put it all the way up. Oh, this thing long. Oh, I like this. Yes, baby. Girl. Look how tall this thing is. So when I'm in the shower, I can have my camera on top of here. You know, and when I do like my skincare routine, look how tall this thing is. How much this was. I'm going to tell you guys the price. Hold on. Let me put y'all down. and tell y'all boys the price in case you guys want to be an influencer. You're looking for a good tripod, get it at Amazon. And I like that how they have the little attachment thing so they can hold it. And if you want to make it shorter, you bring it down like this, put the phone like this, and just record my TikTok. Yeah, I just can't wait. But let me show y'all the price. So this is the one I ordered. I had two separate ones. I got a tripod so when I do my videos here, and I have my tripod so when I do my makeup appointments, my clients outside. So this is the one I have. That's I'm showing you guys right now. Hope you guys can see it. Come on, Wi-Fi. Okay, whatever. But this is the one. Hope you guys can see it. Yeah. Okay. So this one comes with a I think it comes with a controller. I already got a controller from the other one that I have from this one. And yeah, so if I want to like take my little pictures when I go out, outfit check, click the remote controller, chick, chick, chick. You feel me? I say chick, chick, chick. But yeah, I got this one for $15.99. $15.99. I think I like this one better than the other one. You know, I got Amazon Prime and I got Afterpay, so I already pay like full price. But I really like this. Let me try to set up. Oh, let me set y'all up in the camera in the tripod. Let's see. Okay, y'all. Ooh, so when I do my trial hauls, okay, tripod. Yes, this thing is tall. I like the way you could adjust it and everything. So what about the piece? I need the control. Well, this don't come with controller. It's supposed to come with controller. Oh, I'm gonna say I know it comes with controller now. So I got my little controller. When I go out, I can't wait. You know, my birthday coming up in 2 months. So, you know, when I have my birthday outfit, my everything, I got my controller right here, y'all. Come with a little piece controller for $15.99 or $16 almost. iOS and Android. Let me see. I think I gotta connect the Bluetooth. See, got the light on. Turn the remote power. La la la. Okay, UB's on your phone. Okay. Click, take a picture, click, click. Okay, let me cut it off because I don't want to waste the battery. But yeah, so let me show y'all, since y'all standing up here, let me show you the other one that I got. Before I show you guys, hold on, damn, let me go up. Let me push it. Okay, you can move to the side, you can move around. You know, it's before I show you guys the other tripod. I just connected to my phone, so let me show you how I could take my pictures. Hold on, make sure the screen is clean. Okay, so you see I got the iOS. Oh, okay. And I like that the front camera got a flash. Let me show y'all boys the picture. The picture look kind of messed up because I ain't really cleaned the screen. Yeah, but yeah, so let's try the video. You know, I love doing my TikToks and stuff. Hold on, let's try the video. Oh, the screen protector. I gotta fix it. That's why I look ashy, because the way I put the screen protector is blocking the camera. Anyways. Ooh, I like this one better. This one works faster than the other controller that I got. That's why I gotta fix my screen protector. Look at it, y'all. I'm crazy. We gotta make sure this thing is nice. Hold on. Make sure you guys check out my storefront. Like I said, if you guys follow me on social media, it's on my bio. Oh shit, I gotta wipe it down. Now I'm about to show you guys my other one with the ring light. It's like a mini ring light. I already got a big one for the house because I remember when I first started doing makeup, I used to bring the big one with me, which was a lot of chaos because at the time I had no car. I think it was so big. I think I broke a piece, so I just kept it in the house. I mean, it's good for lighting though, to take pictures, but I wanted me a small mini one I could carry, and that's easy for me, you know, to take. Do my clients, let me show y'all boys, put my camera down. This is the okay, it's almost like the same as the other one, same size, you know. Got the, but this one's might be a little bit brighter. So, you know, it'll come with the user manual. You know, if you don't know how to set it up, it's kind of easy now. This is like my third or fourth tripod. Oh wow, this one's nice. It's almost like the same, but you have these. You want to make it taller, you know. which I really love because the other one was too short. Anyways, my battery died, y'all, so ignore my bed. I got my phone set up right here with the tripod for when I do like my TikTok videos or get rid of me and stuff like that, my little mini vlogs. And I just look at the before I throw the box away, I just found this little piece to connect on the phone for this tripod when I take for my clients. If I want to use my phone to record, I do have one already from the other one. I gotta throw that tripod away. Hold on. So if I want to record on my phone, I could just put this on the tripod, connect it here. Oh crap. Yeah, this is the part I need, you know, that little grip part. You see this? And this is the little grip part. This is what I need right here. I gotta put it back in there. Oh, come on now. Because you need that little girth. You feel me? That little girth for that little grip. And you attach it onto the second one. With the first one, you see? And then bam, there you go. So let me take my phone off over here. Ooh, that thing tight. I can put it here so when I'm doing my makeup on the clients. You see my black screen? I got the controller. The thing is my phone is heavy, so it might fall a little bit. Oh, and you know what? I could make it tight from the back. Make it tight. Yeah, so let me just plug this in. This one also comes with a USB cord, but if you have like the fat head for one of your chargers, you can connect that with it and plug it on the wall. And let me just see how bright it is. Okay, I like this one better because you could adjust. It's taller than the old one. The old one was too crappy, so I'm glad I bought another one. Let me just put this in the USB. Okay, it's connected. They have the, let me see. Okay, it's power mode on. Okay, they got the yellow light. You can adjust it, make it light, make it dark. Dark light. Change the mode. 2 different settings. No, 1, 2, 3. Oh, 3. Okay, I like this light. This is my favorite light because I need to be bright. So when I do my videos and stuff like that, I can record, take my pictures, and all that good stuff. You feel me? Follow your girl on TikTok. Appreciate_fashion3. So yeah, I really like this ring light. Okay, let me change the mode. We got the mode. This light is okay. I'm not too much fond of this light. It feels like I'm in the 70s. But yeah, then you're gonna lower it down. And this is a little bit brighter, I ain't gonna lie. I'm not gonna, oh, I'm gonna like this one too. Yeah, so if I wanna go in the bathroom or do my little shower talks, you feel me? I can bring them both with me, have my phone ready for TikTok, and have my camera ready. No, phone ready right here for TikTok. You know what? I like the phone here better for TikTok, and I'm gonna use this for my camera, so I can put you guys there so when I do like my routine and everything. But yeah, so this is what I got. Like how tall it is. You can adjust it right here, make it smaller. I mean, make a, you know, shorter or whatnot, but it's okay, you know. So that's what I got from my Amazon Prime, y'all. So if you guys want to purchase some of these things, or you guys want to start, you know, your YouTube channel this year and start vlogging and, you know, be an influencer, go on my Amazon storefront. You'll see these, you know, linked into my Amazon storefront. Click it and purchase it. It's really cheap. This was $15. Let me check the other one. Let me see how much this one. 15 something. That's almost $16. Let me go back to my Amazon. The other one was, hold on. Ooh, I'm hot now. How much this was? Okay, let me click it. Okay, this one was, oh, $29.99. See? $29.99. Hold on, y'all, because there you go, $29.99. Okay, it's gonna be my Amazon. Make sure you guys click on it. It's really, really good. I'll let you know down the line how it works, how long it lasts, because this old one didn't last as much, okay, which I didn't like. It didn't really last. So I'm about to throw that in the trash. Out with the old, in with the new. And nobody got time for that too. Nobody got time for these legs. It's the part I don't like, is these legs. These legs break easy. Let me see if I could take, I'm gonna keep, you know, and then plus I hate the ring light like this that got the phone connected here, because when you put it, it just starts falling, which I hate. I'm gonna throw the whole thing in the garbage. I was gonna keep this light, but it's trash. I don't like it. So follow your girl, subscribe, like, and comment. I might do another quick video, you know, just to test out these tripods. I'm gonna see, or should I connect it together? I don't know. Just stay tuned, subscribe, click on the notification bell, and I'll see you guys next time.